Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I'm with ProLine Range Hoods, and today we will be unboxing our newest model. It's the PLFW 75136 6S. We're constantly looking for ways to improve our products, so we're super excited to be able to bring this new product to our line. And now we're going to start the unboxing process. All right, so we went ahead and laid the hood down just so you can see everything that's in the box as soon as you open it. But first off, we did go ahead and cut it, but I want to point out and mention we've got 4 steps right here on the front of the box, and these 4 steps are super crucial to our return policy. So as soon as you receive the hood, we ask that you open it, test it, inspect it, look at the range hood to make sure that there's no damage due to shipping or any scratches or anything. And then if there is any damage, go ahead and contact our support line within 14 days of receiving the product, so that we can get the hood sent back to us and get you a brand new product. And then we've also got a photo contest going on right now, so if you want to submit your photos after you've got the hood installed and everything, you're more than welcome to do that as well. We would love to see those photos. Okay, so now that we've got the box open, the first thing that you'll notice as soon as you open it is the foam packaging we've got surrounding the range hood to protect the hood from any shipping damage that may occur. First thing you'll want to take out of the box is going to be this box right here. It's your hardware packet, so you will use this to be able to mount your range hood. Second thing you're going to want to take out is the chimney portion right here of your range hood. We'll go ahead and slide that out, and you can set that aside. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to take out is the range hood. Okay, so now that we've got the range hood unboxed, the first thing that you'll notice are the baffle filters. So these are the baffle filters that will catch the grease and whatnot from everything that you clean. One thing that I do want to point out though is the white. So this is actually a protective coating on the baffle filter. So please make sure to remove that before installing the range hood at all. So the way these function is a latch right here. So you'll gently lift up this latch, slide the top out and then the bottom out. And then that's how you can place them in the dishwasher as well when they're ready to be cleaned. We do recommend placing them through a hot cycle with no detergent just to make sure that they're cleaned properly. This model's got a single blower, as you can see here, totaling 900 CFM at its maximum speed. It's also got 6 different fan speeds, so that means that each fan speed will be 150 CFM. Another cool new feature we've got with this range hood is the light feature. So we've got a bright and a dim option, and then off. Okay, so we went ahead and tilted the range hood down so you could get a better look at the control panel we've got here. And if you notice, this is a very similar model to our PLFW 750. Main differences are going to be the blower and then the light function as well. Up here we've got our transition piece. This is going to be 6-inch round transition, so you'll want to hook your 6-inch ductwork up to this transition piece right here. And then on the side, we've got our extension cord. So you will plug this into your wall. It's a standard 3-prong outlet, so it can plug into any 110-volt outlet in your wall. Okay, so I already went ahead and unboxed the hardware kit, but the main thing you're gonna wanna pay attention to is the chimney mounting bracket. This also has protective film on it, so go ahead and you can take the blue and the white film off before you install this. So this is installed by mounting it onto the wall. You'll drill through these 2 holes right here. And then the chimney, the side of the chimney, will connect to these holes on either side of this bracket. This is what you should expect to receive when you purchase our new PLFW 751 model. Feel free to leave a comment below on the new features that you love, and give us a call if you have any questions or concerns. You can call us at 877-901-5530.